So we're seeing now a new wave of accusations by high-profile professional footballers about suffering racial abuse on social media. Of course, the clubs and the politicians and the league officials, as per the playbook, are all calling for this end to this new scourge of cyber racism. But you know, every time this issue comes up and we talk about it, people say me I trivialize racism and blah, blah, blah. But watch this now. Because of COVID-19, there are no fans in the football stands. So the taunts and the monkey chants are now absent. So now the passionate and sometimes disgruntled fans vent their feelings on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook, etc. But you know, as much as I think that football fans shouting words from the stands is a non-issue, this thing about cyber racism is even more ridiculous. Yes, imagine some idiot can be somewhere in St. Petersburg in Russia on his cell phone and type some nonsense on Media London in my condo accusing him of racially abusing me. One of the more recent cases involved some emojis. Yes, apparently somebody put up an emoji and this player earning between 100,000 and 200,000 pounds a week to play football say he's being racially cyber abused by the emoji. We don't play, me finish, me don't play, me go.